다들 이제 그래 아르케마 캐시마스나도 데제메데 그주기 손주시 아니면 타면 되임bre.
This morning, we have the last day of teaching for the Arya Chema Winter Dharma Gathering.
다들이 손주에 다수是이 사번은 신주지 야부지 개중마송 안드레 인두산의 대균선된 도마 참로래야 공세셔야.
First of all, I'd like to say that this teaching, I have not been able to give the teaching as I would have liked to. So first of all, I would like to beg everyone's pardon.
다들인데 다 조례 취해서 봐. 쉬나야 보면 로섬천서 샤번에 쉬있음 바래. 대면치 찾아서 쉬도나요. 로섬서.
And so today I would like to speak about the rest of the preparatory dharmas. We've already discussed up through confessions, so we will discuss the remaining ones.
개화를 제수이라는 시한다 뒤숨기 뒤에 개화 제법과 탐색이 소나무를 제수이라는 건데 대한 레벨도 초 탐색도 좀 상게 빠르면 라원에 대한 성격이 맞다. 탐색이에 당부 쳐주셔도 심게 버렸어. 소나무니 산 두번은 장에 엄브르도 상 마제기 받기 계획서 강라바 상계는 담배주 이걸로 유전은 미버진 요소 양에는 되게 받기 계획서 강라바 양에는 되는 템버 머시고 받기 계획서 강라바 그다가 바로 주주스 머신이 주변받는 계획서 강라바 파바란 상계 신이 주변받는 계획서 강라바 파바니도 신이 주변받는 계획서 강라바 소수 기원은 계획서 강라바 그다 탐제를 제수 이런 기원이 조화 공부하고 대신도 다다르다 마음병 대답의 경우는 대신도 잘 제수 이런 공부하고 대다량 껴받는 예천주도 상계사 야세사라 이랑 셰발라서 송소 제수 이랑 셰스인도.
Rejoicing in virtue is about the need to cultivate a joyous appreciation of all the virtuous actions of sentient beings throughout the three times, thinking, I delight in all the roots of virtue established by every one of the limitless, inconceivable, enlightened beings who have appeared in the past throughout the universe from their first generation of bodhicitta all the way to their perfect awakening due to their amassing the two accumulations and purifying the two obscurations. I further delight in whatever roots of virtue have been produced subsequent to their enlightenment, from the time they turned the wheel of Dharma to bring to maturity those ready for instruction until they manifested leaving the world of suffering. I also delight in the roots of virtue generated by their teachings between their parinirvana and the eventual disappearance of the teaching, as well as in the virtue produced by whatever bodhisattvas have appeared in the interim before the manifestation of the by the manifestation of the following Buddha. I further delight in whatever roots of virtue have been produced by the accomplished Pateka Buddhas and likewise by those of any Shravakas who have appeared. Further, I delight in the roots of virtue generated by ordinary people. By contemplating joyfully in the above way, cultivate appreciation. Likewise, nurture similar thoughts about virtuous actions being performed in the present moment and those that will be performed in the future. In each instance, the training is to cultivate joyous appreciation. As it is said, I delight in the enlightenment of all the saviors and in the levels of the conqueror's heirs as well.
상계다 최고조 쯤을 차려지라 소원 대법이 소남 용서도 차려지 최미송만 위에도 대다른 민이 최송을 주원비와 대다량 초남국지 상계를 태모자를 소원은 심지동 동해 문톰라 최기되면 빠르도스 최기되면다 빠르도스 세송소 양엘의 미더를 소원 대반에 다다량 최준지딩 감나야 양 감나야 상계다 딱버렸다고는 순용왕 레로진 주류계의 질 양엘의 다카마마 위에대 대달의 민라 양엘의 민족 소환되고 대달이야 야와 양엘 다시라 태모자를 소환 그런 동물 민주시 개발창을 쇼부 주시에 소소 그시 소환되고 시에신도 개회자 원원에 나르지 개회자 대다 신진 탐지기 동에 사실 대화 주비 규르지고 뭐 대달이야 대달은 대다 군지의 개와 당에 싸워 뒤는 신진 탐지기 동에 탐지 싸워 쇼 제발로서 송소 대달 공화 차대 대인식이 저의 총아 시에신도
Requesting that the wheel of Dharma be turned, it means that even at this moment in all the worlds of the 10 directions, there are many Buddhas not teaching the Dharma. Addressing them mentally, offer requests to them to teach the Dharma. Thus one reads, with hands joined, I beseech the Buddhas throughout the 10 directions. Please light the torch of Dharma for all beings obscured in the darkness of suffering. Supplicating the Buddhas not to pass away from the suffering worlds. At present, there are Buddhas in the worlds of the 10 directions who are at the point of entering into ultimate nirvana, in order to stimulate those who believe in permanence to abandon their misconceptions and to inspire diligence in those who are wasting their time. With these Buddhas in mind, supplication is made to them not to pass beyond the suffering worlds. I pray with joined hands to those victors who are considering passing beyond to nirvana to remain for countless ages, so as not to leave all their beings in obscurity. Dedicating the roots of virtue. All these previous roots of virtue are dedicated to removing the sufferings of all beings and as a cause of their achieving happiness. Having thus engaged in all such deeds, whatever virtues I may have gathered, may this help clear away the sufferings of all beings. This and what precedes it conclude the explanation of the preparatory stage of the Bodhisattva ceremony. So that completes the discussion of the preparatory dharmas. Now there's the discussion of the actual practices next, but we will save that for later. This 9th chapter of the Ornament of Precious Liberation is the longest of its chapters.
Sugula shume kenza shresha jenza da da kondu jiga jesu irang da jenza tango de ya jesu irang go liya da mashi ta gen na lo la da sebo ji yong de yare adrin kristane de na shi ma do ge ye de ya ma bu ji de shi sa ba gas ke mi do.
So, to speak about the subject of rejoicing, actually the words in the Ornament of Precious Liberation themselves are really extremely clear. And I don't feel like I really have any new and different explanations that I can give in addition to that.
초주 야와 탐제 진짜 상계체 되는 데에서 천주선바 되는 장계 년도 로바든 다 밀로베 년도 되는 람도 머슈벤 좋아 대단도나 가서 대행하나 나가야는 뭐디바 이다 심지에 매비 주산다 제수이라 체유대 가상아 샤나이 그래.
Now in the question So the the beings whose virtue we rejoice in are the 5 different types of individuals, it said. So these 5 different types of individuals include all of the victors of the 10 directions, which means the Buddhas, all of their children, which means the Bodhisattvas, the Pratyeka Buddhas, and then those listeners who are on the disciples who are on the paths of no more learning and on the paths of learning, as well as all individuals who have not yet entered the paths. So within these 5 categories, there are no individuals who are not included. This way we're rejoicing in everyone's virtue. So these are the 5 categories of beings for whom we rejoice. And so this is similar to the verse from the Noble Aspiration for Excellent Conduct, which says, I rejoice in all the virtues of the Buddhas, the self-Buddhas, the listeners, and all the sentient beings. This includes all of the 5 categories as well.
다 제주이랑 뮤서디, 무슨 제주이랑 뮤서디, 다 공도셰베, 이제 제 가수에다 강사 대다기 뒤숨도 사베, 다제 소나미 공부선한 장도 개와 이동와 다 되게 상황을이야 제수이랑 뮤 조여비므래.
Now, what we rejoice in is all of the accumulations of merit. That is, all of their virtue, everything attractive that those 5 types of individuals have done in the 3 times.
Then chagdo maybe one. The ubu ternieva, yana, mitola set evasion, mitopalia, set evanashi, the diggy, in Tabane, Gawagom, the near that Jezira, before you him there.
And so the manner in which we rejoice is that when we think of the virtues of all those sentient beings, we have no pride, no conceit, no envy. And we offer rejoicing in this way, or we do this in a non-conceptual way, a way free of thought, and we rejoice in everything they have done.
제수이랑 표위나 pen윤으로 가려를 슬라비나 다 수수기 nga르 사샤베기 제 개와드조 야시레 폐기 여비므라.
Now, the virtues of rejoicing in this way is, first of all, that the virtue that we have each done in the past is increased greatly.
다 핀준 똑바냐바이나 제수이랑 륜게기 가사데란 제수이랑 뮤삭 가사데 핀준 똑바냐바를 시미나 제수이랑 체비나 pen윤냐바용구여서.
And when you rejoice in the acts of someone who has an equal level of realization as yourself, so if that person you're rejoicing for has the same level of realization as you have, then you also have the equal benefits as that person.
다 또바 오마시 또바 고만실이 제수이랑 체비나 pen윤냐바랑 다지 도구매버려되나 다 간다 pen윤 간다라 가수에지 pen윤 야심부지 도구여비므라.
And if you rejoice in the deeds of of people who are either higher in realization or who have lesser realization, though you may not have equal amounts of benefit from it, you will certainly gain benefit, and it will be a vast benefit.
다 또바 고마시 또바 오마시를 제수이란 체비미나 다 되게 랑게 체바기 소남레 라바 되게 pen윤 도구여자.
And when you rejoice in the virtue of those who are either lesser or greater realization, then you gain more merit than you do through your own acts.
다가나시 제수이랑 첼레지 가르라스나 다 몽바레 라렌 개와 주야야 조와 gebe da gendo yura chi yoba songre tene yu san ti ju zen den da jesu yirangwa buya de da tabge jesu se tabge ge nyamne ya da medu chungwa ro chi de jin ba songla.
The function of rejoicing is that it becomes a future that becomes a condition that in the future you will be inspired or you'll be excited about committing virtuous deeds. And so in this way, for these reasons, making an offering of rejoicing is one of the Bodhisattva's amazing skillful practices.
다 지난게 상계의 진주 삼번남게 다 가르쳐야지 신뢰 제베 추이 남다다 섬게 미겨야 돼 그래. 배나 다 주신 배나 배준 좀 쉬비 다 섬게 미겨야 되자. 배준 좀 쉬야 마도 배게 예바 쉬도 말봐. 다 배준 좀 쉬비미나. 까마보 군진이 봐 주신 까마 버시 구르지 다 구르지 다 간다. 다 송구르 세나면도 다 간다 공기 바 잠난지 지제지 알아. 디나로라 공기다 수진기 민조와 반 뒤야래 수미게 한드디와 망아요스. 저다 수미게 한드 망고지 아저기 미게 통살래야 안 뒤디게 야버데 아주 하고 통과 다임비네야 안에 다지 주바탑에 가사데 저기 아저기 통난을 예배 düja 대접도 마세베 아주 통난도 뭐 교버스난다도 아주 통미도 베다 간다 미다 미마이 다간다 미마이 düja 다다 루단 다간다 가리난 뉴진이나 간다 진제가 düja 망고지 뒤도 야래 제산 대규전 때는 상계의 전주선 받는게 알아서 밀럼도야 민가에 다지 신뢰 라부치 저기야 대중 아주 이라베 셋업네 저를 제수기랑 비고
In general, the way that the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas bring benefit to other sentient beings is inconceivable. And so, because it's inconceivable, we can really only think about analogies or examples of it. We cannot conceive of their entire activity. For example, if we think about the second Karmapa, the great Mahasiddha Karmapakshi, there was a song, or maybe it wasn't a song, perhaps it was just a verse. In any case, in this verse it said, he said that even more numerous than the physical disciples or the visible disciples whom he tamed were the formless, those non-physical beings. So these are formless beings whom we are unable to see, and he was able to tame them all. So there are all the disciples that he tamed, who are visible to us, but those who are invisible to us, those who we cannot see, including the non-human spirits, gods, nagas, rakshasas, and various, were even more numerous for him. And so in this way, the activity of the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas is something that it really even surpasses what we can conceive of in our dreams.
ene koala shemba bangachi diji yoni yara da le la baji zawani chyo mara da kanda ko thoma meme da kanda diji jebe da kanda biji kumji su ju de diji gi da kanda ji siba korwe ji da kanda koala shembe chingta jeje de ga da kanda minju samba gyulike de ba dizul yang aje 야 지기 뭐 차라다 매도 줘에 두시 개베 터네 근데 소리야 제수이랑 비고 예비bre.
And also, there is the really intense wish for liberation of the listeners and the Pratyeka Buddhas. And so they have been able to loosen the bonds that bind us to samsara, that we have been habituated to since beginningless samsara. And by that, they have reduced their desire, or they have eliminated their fixation on samsara. This is not at all easy to do, because these are habits that we have been grown accustomed to from beginningless samsara. And so to be able to loosen the bonds of fixation on samsara and existence is really something that is incredible and amazing. And so we should conceive of this as being amazing and wondrous and rejoice in this.
다들 간다슬라우다데 소수기우 다 간다 탐해봐 대수기야 다 간다지 녀모베베 치워꾼데 된데베서나라도 간다베 녀모베 오늘 전에 다 간다 야식 야탐버서 뭐르다 니지기베 컨트롤 치데베서 뭐르다 간다 녀모베 치외 탐도 베 차샤셰 용조를 봐 담데베 된제게 소수기우 탐지기야 간다르지 디줄라야 지게외 삼바 랍싱이 지게외 삼바 다드게야 예베데 지 시도 원사르네 두스 차디어레스 드네미 주사네 안주게 풍부수배근 도 나로래야 아니 세컨지서 게외서 강라바타스 수문난 신기 다지 심제 주제수 주베질 세컨부강 아도 마제비네 디엔드비 지게와텔이네 당아주 제수이랑 차여버지다 아버지여 버를 사디어레스.
Now, ordinary sentient beings have all of the bonds and all of the fetters of the afflictions. It's like they're 100% under the control of the afflictions, as if they're all of their parts of their being have been bound by the fetters of the afflictions. So for such an ordinary being to have a virtuous thought, much less a vast virtuous thought, is just incredible and amazing. So this is the reason why in the sutra in 3 sections, the confession practice, it says that we rejoice in even giving a morsel of food to animals. And so if even just giving a small morsel, a bite of food to an animal, if someone has the thought of doing that, it is an amazing thing, and so we should rejoice and delight in it.
Pena Dalia, Danda Vigilia, or that Dungana Vishonsona, and a Tigiji, Gawa Gomaro, J. Chevina, Yiran Colos and Andado, Gawa Colon to Sadiore.
And so actually all of the virtues are as vast as the sky. The virtues of all beings are as vast as the sky. They're very numerous. And so these are what we should rejoice in. But if we have an enemy who is in pain or in suffering, if we then rejoice in that, that is what we call mistaken rejoicing or mistaken delight. Now there's a story that illustrates this. It is about the King Prasenajit, and it is from the time of the Buddha. And so King Prasenajit was giving offerings to the Buddha and his entourage, his retinue, for 7 days.
다 주의 셀라로들 표인설에 다 셀라 표주산에 오면 저 루스에 들려다가 셀라 표긴 뭐죠 뭐치 두산한테 상계기 개버세게 라거드 나체 엔 저랑게 선승기 개와 종견들 뭐치기 인다 하나다지 개와 지 야심 보수으로 상계들이야 뭐치기 선지가를 나
And so the offering was primarily offering meals. Now, the custom at that time was to dedicate the virtue at the end of the meal. And so the Buddha asked King Prasenajit, should I make the dedication on behalf of the person who has made the most material offering, or should I make it on the behalf of the person who has the most vast merit?
개버 세계가 어디다 손을 자셔 개와 자셔 수인 될은 원자로 지수주잖아. 근데 닝아마 니다 죽으진리야. 다니 균도 소년 표현의 인도산에 헬라비의 니 죽으진리야. 하나 상계기 뭐 참말로 다 기무지 말이야. 근데 드지기 기무지리야. 아니 민도안에 다 간다 드리지 뭐 제브레스 마도 개버사게게 센된 뭐제요.
Now when he heard this, King Prasenajit said, "Oh, you should make the offering to whomever has the greatest merit." And so the Buddha then, for the first 6 days, there are 7 days of offering the meals, and so for the first 6 days, when the Buddha made the dedication, he made the dedication to an old woman who was there. And he did not mention King Prasenajit by name.
셀라데 개버세게 퓨 뭐데 다 미신다질 제주스 다들 lumbu디스 베 심제총 다 느려 가와용 거랬을 셀랑아 저 병화 신다지 자원이 용말 디디 가래는 미디 제다 제제 한다디 상기 뭐한지 미디 봐 제제 다디 호라 데다 델리아 제수이랑 차기 가서라 제수이랑 차 바르제를 지지 대셈 인도 중 셈 인도 중네 제수이랑 차기 다 바르제를 쳐야 되지 알았어 제가 니마 타마텔이야 네 제수이랑 디 상계는 용화제서데 바르제제 꼴 제수이랑 차 가서다지 셈인 현도 인도 중시 다 델리아지 디 탑시 가시 담배 기시에 오르다 딱 한 달이야 소라지 제수이랑 뷰야야지 뷰야게 가서다 바르제지 셈 인도 중 그래 셈 현도 인도 중 안 디니 모델 신의 안 상계기 개워세게라야 뭐 남았어.
And so every day the dedication was given to someone else, and King Prasenajit was not mentioned. And so the ministers, King Prasenajit's ministers, worried about this. It's like, how can this be? King Prasenajit has given this wonderful food for all this time, and he's not being mentioned as having the greatest merit. So they looked for the old woman whom the Buddha had mentioned, and then they decided to make problems for her, prevent her from rejoicing. They decided to distract her and keep her from rejoicing. And so on that last day, they found her, and then when the Buddha was about to make and they distracted her the whole time. They made her think about other things. They did various things to take her mind off, to distract her mind elsewhere, and prevented her from rejoicing. And so on that day, only on that day, did the Buddha actually mention King Prasenajit and dedicate the virtue to King Prasenajit.
나는 신기 상계기 개워세게리야. 난 저랑 개워랬어. 나 개워 인자 저가 사오여라. 난 저가 사오여 인주사는 진번에 시럽이 버려지심에 박다 버려진 도대대 야참으로 교란지 럽정 제도 말했어. 나 이내 교란게 제수이란데. 라시 탐지게 밖에 개워서 제수이란 야고치. 제수이란 야고치지. 제수이란 집에 개워서 야세다 제벌이야 피 디 심제 탐제라 오아친 데 제비나 아니 저랑 망어발야 상기가 요래지지 딱 간다 개부세게라지다 냠내 차로디 조디 제수이란데 냠내 차디 아니 상기가 나가이 봐
And so the Buddha is then said to King Prasenajit that you are a king, so since you are a king, you can't really do a lot of the practices. You are able to do, you're able to be generous, but it's difficult for you to practice the others.
No. From the generate paramita until the wisdom paramita, you can't practice large scale.
Okay, so the king, he said to King Prasenajit that you were unable to do the practices of the paramitas, from the paramita of generosity through the other paramitas. You can't do these vast ways of accumulating virtue, but you are able to rejoice. And so if you rejoice, if when you see someone else doing virtue and you rejoice in this, and then if you offer the rejoicing to all the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas and dedicate it to the benefit of all sentient beings, then in the future this will lead to you becoming Buddha. And so in this way, the Buddha gave King Prasenajit as his primary practice, the practice of rejoicing.
제산 제수기란데 다 간다 아주 정중히 줍기 다 높이 반수해 줍지 다 아주 되지 왜 되버려서
And so when we rejoice, then naturally this makes our own minds joyful and happy. It naturally makes us enthusiastic. And so for that reason, when the rejoicing is like a naturally and spontaneously present treasury, a wealth that we have, that is present within us.
ane 장부지 추부지기 감배 권람을야 장부지 알아서 ane 다 추부디 가두이네 니마 딱바디 장부디 통디 알아 제자한테네 장부디 공다 딱바르시 고다 실로리아 돌롱가시 난레 공다 딱바르고 시에당시 기부제 데데 알아서 추부디 안 감배나 공다야 레스 때는 장가게 장가게 알아봤다 중송 다 좋은 가르도 송 가르다 다선이 가르 시사로지 진짜 경향지 가수에 샘제를 다 다는 진짜 차와 경향 시제 되게 알았어 님의 질이야 추부고 삼루시고 아 추분 드리지 그래서 벤조 론준 드리지 해야 돼 이내야 은혜 이 장분들 도움이 됐다 장분들 강가 사야 거야 열라멜라를 지제데 이내야 코디 선배님도 하고 싶었어 제가 땅아 노르만 못 가서래 선배님 보시라는 제가 다들 땅지 제고 근데 가르쳐야 나 삼제 땅지 제고 누워서 잡으래
So I think if I tell a story about this, it'll be easy for everyone to understand. This is actually a story I've told many times. So once there was a beggar, and the beggar lived nearby the gates, nearby the door of a rich person's house. And so every day this rich person would see the beggar, and every evening the beggar would come back from his begging rounds and relax, sing songs, and enjoy himself. But the rich man would come home every evening, count his pennies, he would count his money, he would tally his income and expenses for the day, figure out what he needed to do, and spent his entire time worrying and being busy. So one day the rich person thought to himself, what's this about? I'm rich, I've got a lot of money, but that beggar seems even happier than I am. That beggar doesn't have anything, but he seems really happy. And I have all this wealth, but I'm not nearly as happy, so I've got to figure out what is happening.
Ryan was that, Rang was and Luke was and Kibamita. Rag was a Luke was Takanda said Chamboji Koran the Tango de Shasha. That Chamboji is Rang with the Kalaka.
So he thought, I've got to figure out a method, and
billionaire in Hakumdo.
I got to figure out some way to figure this out. And so one day when the beggar went out, he took a big piece of gold, about the size of a goat's head. Maybe a goat's head, maybe a sheep's head, I don't know. It's not much of a difference between the two. In any case, he took this big piece of gold the size of a goat's head and left it inside the beggar's house. So I don't know if he was a millionaire or maybe a billionaire or what.
He said the dish I did on that the Tango de Sulen. That Koran doesn't non oh yeah, that there said Wishim Jim Tishaja or 7 total. That couldn't depend on Regina. Tambo Harish Ledge. This thing is a said young Demia, said Len. That sent the Kangba de Nikimaris, that third of them, sent the Cadenas, and this dead ends. That way, I'm just some Rogita or Jichen and Mishidachi said, the Harmons, Langal Rosh, said Lam. The Paji party with the some of which Yanjita. Uncle Samajita, oh, Jichen and Jobo Yinza. The Kunjo, 2G scene. That you're not over in those Sege, and Kunjo said the dish would not matters. The day in the tongue when the sun is said the parts on che, I could come back to the Mang with sometimes, Jiggy jelly chick to some down. Jig some down the tea on that the quick some dance. She means you stand that could she had to Jesuits.
So after the rich guy left the big piece of gold the big nugget of gold in the poor guy's house, the beggar came back and he saw this huge piece of gold glittering and glistening with a light, and he's like, how did that get there? What's this piece of gold doing there? How is it that there's some sort of gold? How did the gold get into my house? Is this really gold in my house? What happened? He looked around and he tried to figure out where could I have got this gold? And he started thinking about, how did this get here? And he thought to himself, oh, maybe someone lost it. They lost it on the way and they're going to come back looking for it or something. And he started worrying about that. Then he maybe started thinking, maybe it's not that. Maybe it's because the 3 jewels know that I'm so poor and they've bestowed this gift of this city, this gift upon me. And then he started thinking, oh, I should sell it. And then I can build a house. And then just one thought led to the next that led to the next thought. And he spent the entire evening thinking about things. He was thinking about planning things so much that he forgot to sing any songs.
Reactions, Numguru Cardengo, that is that Tigonda, Numutawarish, Shetan, Tigonda, Shetan, the Yomara, Shetangama. Tachubuti, Shineji, or that Nengadi, Teredo, something, Nengachi happens.
So the rich person was watching this. He was looking down to see what the reaction of the beggar would be to finding the gold. So usually the beggar would be singing songs by now, but he wasn't that evening. And so then the rich person realized, this is the point. This is what it's about.
다 간다라 가래 있네미네 가수에 다 되게 가노 가르쳐 거라잖아 지 참상 아주 남도 망부 세제지 아주 디기 토야래 아주 다지 오늘은 디기 있어야 돼 갈아 가보지 요르 사보지 느리지 참참 오늘 딘지지 뭐 임바체 디기 있어야 돼 레라 더블요 안다라 지 수수 삼로 방초 중세성기 딱 한다 다 디기 유메 개발 차르도 수용되어라 라바라도 셈리야지 초세바다 제수 이랑에 삼바로지 개베이미나 랑갱랑기 지 셈리야 디기 소에 대하지나 조낭 소용돼 알으시더니 용도와 마도 인지미지 딱 한다지 규망부지에비나 디기 용배 개바야 말에 강바침부지에비나 디기 뭐 유베 개바야 말에 다 다나지 초보망부지에나 디기 용 개바야 말 단도나지 치응어보다 다지 성생기 다지 벤주르 지점시에비나 디기 영토에 제제 다지 가렌티 섬으로 다지 간다라 델리아베 가주에 켈레 지다 지 타주 제가 알아가고 싶어 다 임빈의 셈리야 초식 초와 아니 제수이라는 초와 진짜 직딩 섬으로 주에비나 아니 랑킹 안기 юм제메가 섬으로 다 юм제에도 여러 번 있네 다지 초전에 시에는다 юм제 겐시라 치주기 겐다 신다 시달 때 마음 치지 랑킹 안기 근데 이 소화 좀 돼야지 오래 삼층이에요
Now, what happened with the gold next day, I don't know. Whether the rich guy went to go take it back or if he gave it to the beggar, I just don't know what happened. At any rate, what this means, or what this shows, is that if we have a lot of thoughts, then if we think too much, then it's difficult to be happy and joyful. Happiness and joy is not something that's difficult or complex. It's something that's actually quite easy and simple. And we just have to think about it a little bit. We have to be able to distinguish whether or not something is whether or not we are happy. And so, if we have few desires, if we are content with what we have, and if we rejoice, then just automatically, naturally, we'll have this great feeling of happiness and joy and delight. So it's not necessarily so that being rich will bring you happiness. It's not necessarily so that having a house or having friends will definitely bring you happiness. External things and material things are no guarantee that we will become happy. But if within our minds we have this contentment with what we have and rejoice in things, then that will naturally and automatically, without any reason, that is to say, without any external, not depending upon any external causes, we will naturally become happy.
다 냥에는 믿어 소한데 버디 안도 düzem 쉬는 점으로
And so now we've completed this discussion of rejoicing, and so next I will speak in brief about the request to turn the wheel of Dharma and the request not to pass to Nirvana.
얼마씩 가장 쉬변한 신기 다가다 최봉게 골이야 가장 최봉 골 쉬변한 신기 다음도나 아주 주더 미지바 별이야지 주더 미지바 유바 미지바 이제 도스도스 민다로 용데 알데 안 된기 차려야 아니 상황 자외 때문에 봐 유튜브 선한다로 드네비 인두산에 난 될래야 차단의 초리 관에 연재 다 아니 계속 미제바 어디 계속 뭐 자대요.
As I discussed yesterday when speaking about about rejecting the Dharma, There are some slight differences in the in the tenets and the way of practicing in the various Tibetan schools. But in actuality, all of them are essentially the same. They all have essentially the same meaning. And so for this reason, it is important for us not to look at them with a bias of attachment or aversion, or to denigrate or to ignore any of them.
Tempa zibi kibu shen le ya zhou tamam zhou ngoma dawdi tempa zibi kibu shen digi di zhou debo no zi le munzi che che anda tabzhe de chuzhe ru ji dos de dos an che san de le ya ni gyowa jie chung gyowa jie chung che che de da kan da gyowa jie we ne da de ge ne da de gyowa jie we ne de ji sha de yo de. The first Gyalwan Rinpoche, that is the first Dalai Lama, Gendun Druk, said in a song that these days there are many people who call themselves upholders of the teachings and yet consider their main enemies other upholders of the teachings, and this is very distressing. So the meaning of that is that these days in Tibet, there are many people who say of themselves, I uphold the teachings, I am a master and a holder of the teachings. And yet when they consider who their primary enemies are, they say that their primary enemies are other people who uphold the teachings, and then they have conflict with them. Seeing this, it's a very distressing point, an upsetting and distressing situation.
The 냠내 차지 들리지리야 고마시에 유스라 삼정도 가르레사나 조지 더지기 좀데 말이야 안 겨나즈 배바디 탐지 연락했어 안에 배지 말했어 단 내딘비 대바도 몽그룹에 대바야 안 야가는 주된 레슈스 근데 전에 간다 대바시가 쭉 대화시가 주지 템포 주시 남도 키워지 근데 지고 레스지 근데 간난도가 단도라지 간다 조지 더지기 비거만 실내 줄라한리야 슈베 겁리야 대화 탐지기 공리야 지 지구르치 대화 탐지기 간다 예 개발면 공 지구르시고 가래서는 공기다 공부시다는데 템포 지다 아니지 추리면 근데 공부시에 인상 비그람 실내 줄라한리야 아니 대화 탐지기 구르슈서 디지레스 좀 봐. So the master, the great Atisha, the master, the founder of the Kadampa tradition, once said that we need to practice taking the four sides of the teachings of the path as the path. Now there are many different explanations of what this taking the four sides of the teaching as the path mean. But I think that one way of looking at it is that we can say that it's like thinking of all of the different parts of the teachings without any bias. And considering them all to be parts of the teachers. It's like if there is a large square or a rectangle of fabric, and if everyone picks it up from all sides, then we are able to lift it up. So my thought is this is what this this text means. Now, the reason for saying this is that once Atisha said to his student Dhamtumpa, all of you here are in the Mula Sarvastivada tradition. I'm from the Dharmagupta. I'm from the Mahasangika. It would be good for you to invite masters of the Theravada and the Dharmaguptaka traditions. Mangurwa. It'd be good for you to invite masters from the Theravada and the Mangurwa tradition to Tibet. Because in this way you can have the four main schools of the teachings all founded well in Tibet. And in this way you'll be able to practice, or you'll be able to practice taking all four sides of the teachings. Now the reason he said this is that in Vikramashila, in the monastic university of Vikramashila, all of the schools of Buddhism treated each other with mutual respect, and so in thinking in this way, Atisha thought about taking the teachings in general and benefiting the teachings in general without any bias. And this is because in Vikramashila, in the Vikramashila temple, there were all four schools.
samsam pe di tuen de pe cha da di ze ka shui pendo shi yong da yin de pe cha ben sang ge xiong ba ji sang ge nue jie qian bu ji ben han yang zhu ji sang ge han yang qing bu ji ji ti gi na lo lo wo ma ti ga lu da wo ma lu ne chu lu ne jiao me do da da wo ma ze de ya ge me da wo ma ti ga lu 다 지요 마테가 루샤나 다 제바면도 오마테가 루네 다디 야교주산 미식이 짜고야 지요라서 하는데 지중디 다디나 오마 루쇼 미식이 짜연주산 미시 디 소소소 어떤 아주 냠도 가서 초 간에 잡에 멀리베체 야 짜고래 사마디 되게 눈바 치지고 알아서 미시부터 알아 삼로 동다 들리고 알아서 다 초 간에 마 룩손 류손에 지금 말에 삼버지 다 들리지 삼로 코고 미시부터 마다 야지 초지 미대기 땅에는 야다지 짜시 현다들 보나 보 제바 메사나 아니 상가나 유요 오마데 보도로 마다 코란디 지불 하데 말어 아니 상가나 오마 차상 보도로 그래 드네 되는 신기 아니 상기 때문에 해야돼 딱 안다지 더디 상천보하고 딱 뇌 신변나 오말로 받는 신기 상기 댐베기 지금 다 가지고 다시 지 상기 댐바사 드리지 아주 삼다 다 드네 미식이 야자는 자나 다들 소소 데스데스 좀 담는다로지 기범이라 당아서 들려와래 다디 미식 그렇지 이내 아주 삼모동단디 진짜게 다 초간에장 상기 댐바 초간에장 냐나 저 말에 삼버지 근데지기 다 동수 찍지는 비고 그랬어. 템메나 냐면아데 선이지 냐면서 상계 때문에 냐면으로 마도베. 아니 아직 고주 가르래. 고주데 냠 아주데 마냠서 지키지 엄마 상계 때문에 비치고 그래. 그래서 디균자한테는 다 든지기 하나 동수 찍지. 삼바 찍규로 템바 rumbu실이야. 제대로 제외지 삼바 찍규로 든지고 그랬어. 텐데지 총부임에 신내지 템바 주실람도 키워서는 장도 다나지 상계기 템바 집어서는 장도 다 텐데지 천대는 좀 줘야지 이제 삼점이
So I'm going to make a comparison here, and sometimes, the comparisons are to make it easy to understand, but sometimes actually the comparisons make it more difficult to understand. You can't tell what's being compared to what, or what the meaning of it is. In any case, here the comparison is if you have a big vat, a big copper vat, and you fill it with milk. You could say water, but it's nicer to say milk. Maybe you could even say yak milk, or the female milk, the dri milk. In any case, it's filled with milk. So this big copper vat, and if you want to lift it up, then you need 4 people to lift it up because it's so big. So you have to have 4 people who lift it up all together. So they all combine their powers, combine their strength into one, and they lift it up cooperating with each other. And if you do that, then you'll be able to lift up the vat. If any one of the people is unable to lift to carry their side, to lift their side, then you won't be able to lift the vat without spilling the milk. Also, if there's one person who says, "I'm strong, I can lift this entire thing on my own," then that one person will lift their side, and the other sides will droop, and all of them will drop, and all of this milk will spill out of the copper vat. So it's the same way with the teachings of the Buddha. It's like it's a large vat. And if we're going to lift it up and hold it up, then we have to all do it together, and we all have to cooperate. And it's like, so there are 4 people lifting it, and there are all, of course, slight differences in the way we're lifting it, and in the way they're lifting it, and the way that in their lineages and so forth. But they need to think. The way that we need to think is that we all have to lift this together. If anyone thinks I can do it on my own, then and do whatever I want, then that is not okay, because all of the milk will spill. And so it's like this way. If we just hold up our one thing and not worry about the others, if the other schools disappear, then what's disappearing is Buddhism. Buddhism is what's disappearing. It's the cause of Buddhism being weakened if we only think about our own side. It's not just one side or the other. It's Buddhism in general that will be weakened. So for that reason, we need to gather all of our strengths together and cooperate in lifting the vessel of Buddhism together. We need to think of it in this way. And I think only once we begin to think of it this way will we be able to understand what it means to practice taking the 4 sides of Buddhism as the past, or I think that is what it will mean to become an authentic upholder of the teachings.
디지 게몰로야르스에 다 게모 마시 삼서 게모쇼로 지문다 아니 게몰로야치도 게모쇼 시에두사 게모쇼로 맞을 때 셈도 미주쇼 이 야부 먹고지 자 다들 점자 다들 들이야 남주영 아주 서로 다들 소소소 주기 소소소디 오늘네 템베 닝부 아다 템베 닝부 다가 한들 집에 창라 만들어 템베 닝부 단디 코나 템베 닝부 인신다데 시다 말은 돈 돌지 시거로 그래서 뭐만 되지요 미지기 마시디 디기 기루기 디시레다 죽으지다 죽고 게라심지다 다들 제 쉬모가자 다 기본가몽가며 그랬다 안디 사마다 제가 엄마 드리셔서 공기 다세 땅하랬다 다세다 다 템베닝부 다 템베닝부 가서기 아니 추규디 템베닝부 인스라다 교랑 추규 뭐종의 공도 템베닝부 매하다 교랑 템베닝부 임비시 드리지게 배 다세 땅하랬어 제가 다 디소르지 다 간다 아주 남윤지 수수수에게 다지 주다다 추규기 체완되면 걸리야 당 오늘 지내기 치기 지구요래 되나야 오늘 지내가 딱 안다지 지 상기 때문에 냠내 차상화돼 아니 계속 담보수에게 다 리리 도도는 수에제 아주 여기 라골래야 딱 안다지 지 가서다지 상기 락장 체쳐봐서 뭐 상기 락변 두스파 아니 번진 체쳐봐도 근데 지기 간단 안 소리야베 당화 창라 많어 간다 리리 도도시제 아주 나야래 대응원의 시합에는 아주 오늘 상월로 지 뽑아게 버지다 제수이랑 게버지래 나 유비네야 아 될라 때네 안 지된 게 차단을 치지 아 맞춰도 교회 고속한 말을 선으로 되게 차단 견두고 말아 다들 상계기 때문에 사람만 수술하면 안 돼야 돼 수술 유기 녀모 시에 채도 아니 수술 라발 충분히 인도사네 다디 뇽모 시베 탑스 로트버시 고고라 마도 디 라발레 뇽모 처처 진소나 되네 베사로 아드린 비스타네 디 균센 되네 나 다드네게 지금 아주 지 가셔지 삼로 양다와르지 리버 동과데 계집을지 있어
And so, for that reason, we need to think of acting collectively, have the collective will to work together, to cooperate, and it's very important to have this. So I'm going to tell another story, and if I tell a story and you don't, and you're supposed to laugh at this one, and if you don't laugh, then I'm going to get very sad. I might even cry. It's very depressing. Actually, I'm just joking on that. But at any rate, usually when we talk about our different lineages, we all
yesterday. There are not many sort of Westerners. They're laughing. I'm disappointed. This is your fault,
Yes.
my fault, other people's fault. That's okay. Joking.
So usually we say, of our own lineages, that this is the essence of the teaching. This is the real essence of it. It contains the entire teachings. And then we begin to think of this, that it's only our lineage that has the essence of the teachings, and other lineages don't have this. And so once there was someone, actually this is a Gelugpa master, a very well-known Gelugpa Tulku. I'm not going to mention his name, but it was in the old days. So back in the old days, there was this very well-known master. And so he was talking, so when they were talking about it, he started debating people. He said, okay, so our teachings are the essence of the teaching. So it follows that before our teachings appeared, there was no essence of the teachings. The reason is because our teachings are the essence of the teachings. And so normally when we think about this, they didn't laugh.
It's okay. It's oh yeah.
I'm sorry.
Sometimes,
yeah. Anyways, when we think about the distinctions between our tenets and between our Dharma lineages, then there are discrepancies in the words. But in actuality, they're all the practice, they're all the Buddhist teachings, and they're all the complete and full practice of the Buddhist teachings that was then summarized and wrapped up by the great masters and then presented to us like it's being put into our hands. It's like saying that we receive a Buddha in the palm of our hands. We have the entire teachings of the Buddha in our hands. And this is the way it is for all of the lineages. And so when we think about it, we actually really should rejoice about this and have confidence about this. But instead, we often think about it with a lot of with the afflictions of attachment and aversion. And so, actually, if we think about our own teachings as being the complete and perfect teachings of the Buddha, and if we think about that with attachment and aversion, then actually the reason why the teachings have been wrapped up and placed in our hands is that in order to subdue our afflictions. That is why they've been put in our hands. And yet, if instead of being a method to subdue our afflictions, they become the cause for our afflictions to increase, then we're finished. There's nothing we can do about it. And so it is very important for us to really consider this carefully.
다 어디 된다 간다 아주지 오늘 저녁이 가져다 시에버디 칸에 시에셔 집이 평가하면 나디 라랭무부터 할래 가지지 라랭다 토도면 딱와데 계심으로 잘해요 봐 제가 딱 칸에 시에다 그나 예 가데버를 지시해 아니 계란수지 가데버도 시에도 유기래 임비네야 딱 간다 지 카데오디기 아주지 된다래야 아니 교학에 주요 말에 제가 다 단도 양계지训练되어서 배는 아주 남기 완드 주고요 제나한테 제레스기 제나사로 자배양의 제나사로데 완드데 이담라 수수수기 완드 티드 샤로 틴질링아 제레스기 까마 참여기 제샤베 제레스기 다 티지요래 겨와겨서 제레스 겨와겨서 티예요 다 디나로래야 안 마시 까마 참여디 통계 심심지도 싸게 거니 우리 강갈로지 니 마시에버서 매딩 다 강갈로 셰딩 다고 통계 지식에 다 되시도 다 디나로 제레스 고 마시다 제레스디 시부지 임바지 송과 난권에 쇼부터 제레스 겨와겨서디 안다간다 직배 아주야 다 이름 군기 나는 쳐도 교바 안데 루주소는 사다 겨와겨서들 잡아야 말았어 다 이담 신다도 잡아야 알았어. 배는 뒤지 콜로로 잡아야 알았어. 뒤지 콜로 귀남다이 잡아야 알았어. 다양한 신기 파 잡아야 알았어. 잡아야 망부시 송샤. 다 제마티 망부다연 단연쇼 삼골지 소이. 다 제레스도마다 신다도 지 가지 다 시라지 가르에 초르를 매대행루지. 소마로 다지 간데르지나 상과지 드리죠 뭐. 제상 삼상 아주 드리용. 배나 제레스가 왕구가 다 제레스가 자침보다 니라 메시지 아주 반 디시 잡지 왕구요 다 선인 잡배야 저 왕구는 양 다는 시리 잡배야 어떤 딜레 라가 메시디 양 다가랑 주피아나 안디 드게스 다디 게자디 다 남주 수수수 이담 수수수수기 안다 배연선한다도 거 체외연대는 저연주사네 다디 저구요래 아주 좋아게 하셔 다 이면에 되게 제레스 지부 개시야 자배양 개시 뭐 말했어. 자배양 개시야래 제레스 개시야래 단도지 자배양 개시와 제 윤진기 제레스 개시 뭐 참으라고. 제레스 개시와 윤진기 자배양 개시 뭐 참으라고. 니지레마도 제레스 개시 뭐 자배양 개시 참으라고. 근데 말아. 상기기 제외 연대인데 아니 개시 뭐 차요는 아니 캠페인 연대인데 대다 뒤송다 계셔버 지리야다 가르쳐다지 지기 연대인데 또 연대 지기 연대인데 양고 가르쳐에 쇼래야 들려야지 당화기야를 지고로 제가 드리게 토네 가당아지 다 망부시 안무시 다 드리지 되셔
So that's how it is. So just knowing something and being able to talk about it is not enough. We actually really need to be able to put it into practice. So sometimes actually just saying things, so it's easy for us to talk. It's easy for me to talk. It's easier for you all to talk. But just knowing it being easy to talk doesn't in actuality change us in any way. It's like when we get empowerments or initiations, like if you're going to get the empowerment of Avalokiteshvara or of Manjushri. Whatever Yidam deity, when we get the empowerments or the instructions on them, then they always say that they're the greatest deity. Well, I was once reading some instructions by Karma Chakme on Avalokiteshvara in the form of Gyawajatsu or Jinasagara. And when reading Karma Chakme, it sounded like, actually, he's the greatest of all sentient beings. Avalokiteshvara in the form of Gyawajatsu is the greatest, the most wonderful of all sentient beings. And one reason for this, Karma Chakma was saying, is that he was undisputed. There were never any disputes about Avalokiteshvara. There are disputes about all the other tantras. There are disputes about whether the Kala Chakra Tantra is real or not, but there are no disputes about Avalokiteshvara. And so when he's writing in this, he's really praising Avalokiteshvara very highly, and he had this feeling, oh, he's so supreme, like how can anyone else compare to this? And so, like when we give the empowerment of Avalokiteshvara, then we say, he's incredibly important. There's no one who's greater than that, no deity who's greater than this. And then the next day, the Guru gives the empowerment of Manjushri and says the same thing. There's no one who's greater than this. If you practice Manjushri alone, this is enough. So we have to understand that every Yidam deity has their own benefits, has their own particular qualities of greatness. And in this respect, they all are great. But it's not like we're saying that only Avalokiteshvara is supreme and Manjushri is not, or that we're saying Manjushri alone is great and Avalokiteshvara is not. The reasons that make Manjushri great are also reasons why Avalokiteshvara is great. The reasons why Avalokiteshvara is great are also reasons why Manjushri are great. They're not any different. You can't really say one is greater than the other. When we talk about the qualities of when we increase the qualities of the love of the Buddha, that also means that we're also increasing our qualities of wisdom and knowing. Realizing the meaning of one means that we realize the other, and realizing the meaning of one means that we should also develop faith in the other, and so we should not think of one as greater than the other. And so we have the turning the wheel of Dharma and the request not to pass into nirvana and the dedication. Then those are basically as written. I don't have enough energy to speak about them now, so we will leave it here. Now next, there have been a few people who have asked me to give the Lung transmission for the aspiration for Mahamudra. So I will give that transmission now. So that completes the transmission of the aspiration for Mahamudra at the definitive meeting. So tomorrow we will have the tomorrow we will have the Chö Puja, the all day long Chö Puja, the string of jewels that was written by the Karmapa Rangchen Dorje.
나니가 아니 군주가 니마 타마를 치지 주메군 달래 대제메 군주 니마 타마 달리 쇼베 가면을 쇼베 집지 있으면서 다하시 쟤네 너니도 스트레.
And then the day after is the final day of the Arya Chema Winter Dharma Gathering. Actually, I think the schedule is free in the morning.
지제는 아주 여기다디 주메 다데 가서 대바게베 초 대바게베 초가디 대바게쇼디 지제는 다 가장 엄마 당부 제비네 그 유만한 게니 타마들이야 제가 제브레 다이네 다다 교화침이 인사 지제는 대지 작업이 대바게쇼디 선이 너니 쇼베 제거나 하고서만 다들 야부지 하고 엄도다 제를 아주 손도 소지 다 제는 좀
And so I think maybe the day after tomorrow in the morning we should do the ritual for the teachings, for the nuns' teaching to flourish. Actually, originally we thought of planned to do this on the last day of the Kaju Munlam, but we changed those plans. And so maybe it would be good to do this ritual for the teachings to flourish in the morning, the day after tomorrow.
아미세 지다리 지주메고 저팅 소바데 아니 저도베 총한데 지차 가서 비숨서배한 아지 통답하서도 계획한 소도베 총한데 가브르샤 총소 안 제산다 아주지 켈롭 긴류 넘버에 하나씩 주문 남으스래 안에 다나지게 집에 다고주래 안 대신도 시간 미망용做了呀 안에 예 닝타번에 두시셔야
So I'm very happy that we've been able to hold this third Arya Chema Winter Dharma Gathering. It has been excellent from the beginning through the middle and until the end, and I'm very happy about this. And so for that reason, I would like to offer my heartfelt thanks to all the Kempos and teachers, the Sangha members, the nuns, and the entire monastic and lay communities who are here.
다음이세 슈하스게 메베 소치도 다 다다디 아주 주메기 될래야 다 달로르 차샤비네 저 아주 초지네 지 르람 다세 단들이 전에 에너지 셰베 롱게 대바 야외데 롱게 대바 진진용 베스음 차로 데 아주 베주지 셰브레 다 초지네 아주지 아네 좀셔들이 소세 다지 라마자와 사르자발래야 아니 주베 쳐바 피베 토네 주바냠네 단 도나지 좀주 소하데 오네서 냠네 제신 롱 똑베데 마르와다 제자 제가 다지 롱도니 세란라도 셰바도 주바세란라도 야마제 거네 아니 야보로 비총수 삼바로 도스테네도 아니 인주사는 마음발이미네 제티신 아지 시루 송제게 거네 에너지 템바 가슈라다 야마제 버르시 데지 무튀네 로토나 야만로섬도 정도 아시아만 상상 아주지야 셰바 칭게도 주바 칭게도 시라 마가체 주바 칭게도 셰바 칭게도 시라 마가체 군이 버롤이야네 저바토 아디 냠네 쳔마시베 따르시와 퇴삼치야데 주바 제베 텐도 치가래 주바 요아체도 주바 치야체도 퇴삼치가 제자들이 인주산 군인이 지로지를 로 샤오르마다 군인이 지지려베 잡셰를 차송나 근데 템바냐베 달라는 집에 이비 인주산 디균센데 안사메디 돌야 샤로나 수야
And so holding this gathering of the community of nuns, from one perspective, or one way of looking at it, it's primarily for study, for increasing, for upholding the teachings of Scripture and explanation. So this is the teachings of Scripture. And another way of looking at it, we've also had the offerings of practice. We've had the practice of making, or we've had the pujas, the making offerings that please the Buddhas and the Bodhisattvas. And if we really practice these, these are the teachings of realization, aren't they? So in this way, we have the teachings of Scripture and the teachings of realization, the teachings of explanation, the teachings of practice, and these are together and inseparable from each other. And so in this way, this is what we actually need to do. We need to practice with the teachings and with the teachings and the practice together in union, with them never separate, and that is the best way to practice. And so sometimes, we feel like if we should practice, if we do study, that we don't need to practice, or feel that if we practice, we don't need to study. And it seems like there's some sort of a rivalry between the study and the practice. And if this happens, it's a sign that we do not really know how to practice. The reason or the purpose for our study is to be able to practice. And our practice is also in order to help us in our listening and contemplation, our study. These two work with each other; they help each other out. And so, if they become separated from each other, they will not work well. So it is important for us to keep this in mind. And so, as I mentioned before, this I don't feel comfortable that this teaching has turned out as well as I would have liked it to. And so once again, I would like to beg your pardon. I feel that this Dharma gathering turning out well is because of the compassion and blessings of all the victors and their children. It's because of the compassion and blessings of all the root and lineage lamas and the compassion and blessings of the Dharma protectors that it has gone well. I don't feel like there's any particular thing that I can say, oh, I did this or I did that, and that made it do well. And I don't feel like there's anything I can do really in the future for it. I've been giving a very high title, and sometimes when you're giving a very high and impressive title, it's actually quite difficult. When you give an ordinary individual the name or the title of a Buddha or Bodhisattva, it's really difficult. You should think about how it'd be for yourselves. For yourselves, if you were all of a sudden given a very high title, how would it be for you? How difficult would it be for you? In any case, when I look at what I have done up till now, for the sake of beings or teachings, I really don't feel like I've been able to make 100% efforts. I've been maybe able to do some, maybe 30 or 40% efforts, but but I hope that in the future that the Buddha's teachings in general and the benefit of all sentient beings, and in particular that for the community of nuns, that you will all develop the ability to become masters who are able to uphold, spread, and propagate the teachings of scripture and practice. This is my hope and my prayer.